Welcome everyone. Myself, Arjun Pratap Advocate. I practice at District Court, Sindh, Haryana. Like knowledge of law or command over legal propositions, the knowledge of medical jurisprudence is equally important for an advocate. As in cases of offences against human body, surely there are some reports regarding the medical evidences such as MLRs, PMRs, which forms the part of judicial record. These reports have to be analyzed by the advocate during trial, in cross-examination, and later on in the arguments. If the advocate is well versed with the medical terminologies and medical jurisprudence, he can analyze such reports with great ease and can surely turn the case in his favor. So, today I am sharing some of the basic medical terminologies regarding the anatomical bodily position as denoted by the medical experts in such reports. The human body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and limbs. The trunk is further subdivided into thorax and abdomen. Now, to get hold of the anatomical terms, one must know the anatomical position of the body. Assume a body standing upright with the upper limbs hanging by the side and the palms of the hand pointing towards like this in a forward position. Apart from that, there are several imaginary planes which are as median plane, coronal plane, and sagittal plane. All these planes are imaginary and dissects the body from different angles. A median plane dissects the body into two equal halves, that means the left and the right, and it dissects the body vertically, that means from head to tail. This is the median plane. The sagittal plane, it dissects the body or any position of the body which is parallel to the median plane. And the another coronal plane is a vertical plane which is at the 90-degree angle to the median plane. As we have already gone through the planes and the anatomical position of the body. Now the first two terms are medial and lateral. Now, as we know, the median plane bisects the body into two equal parts, that is right and left. Now, the term medial means any part or bodily position which is towards the median plane. The median plane, it bisects the body into two equal parts. The medial, which is towards the midline, the median plane, it is known as the medial, and any bodily part or position which is away from the midline, that is lateral. Now I will illustrate it with the examples. That is, the nose is medial to the eye, and the ears, this ear is lateral to the nose. The next anatomical words are superior and inferior. Superior means which is towards the head, and inferior means which is nearer to the feet. Now examples of this are: head is superior to the neck, and in case of inferior, the appendix is inferior to the transverse colon. The next two terms are anterior or ventral and posterior or dorsal. Anterior or ventral means which is near to the front, that is the chest, or dorsal or posterior means which is near to the back. Now the examples of this is the bicep. The bicep is anterior or ventral to the tricep, and the inverse of it, the tricep, is posterior or dorsal to the bicep. Now in case of hand, this is the hand. This portion, this is the anterior or ventral portion of the hand, and it replaces by the word palmar, and the back of hand, it is noted with the word dorsal. And in case of foot, the posterior portion of the foot is denoted by the word dorsal, and the sole of the foot is denoted by the word plantar. The last set of words is proximal and distal. Proximal means nearer to, and distal means further from. Now these two words usually indicates the relative distance of the structure from the root of that structure. Now the examples of this, like this bicep muscle, this is proximal to the shoulder joint and the inferior of it, this elbow joint, this is distal to the shoulder joint. I hope that my initiative through this video will be useful and beneficial for you. If you have any query, please do comment, and for the time being, goodbye, have a nice day.